Viewers, I'm going to balance this with a 10 amp heater. I want to see exactly what current these fuses will pop at inside this light bulb here. A little fuse wire there. I want to see what current that'll pop at, so I'll commission this. This will more than likely handle the current, so this is a nice old collectible, so it'll be easy on this. I'll wire it cord up and we'll balance it and see what current will read. Now I found this meter is inaccurate. It's a 20/5 amp. I think the CT is about the CT on it. It's not a shunt type, it's a CT type. That's a 20/5 amp current transformer. It said in the instructions to put 2 windings on that coil, on that CT I mean, and that made this thing bloody read twice the amount of current that was going through it. So I reduced it down to 1 turn, and it seems better, but it's still reading a bit much. So I think it's just Chinese engineering at its finest there. If I can somehow get a proper bloody panel meter, I'd like to get a read type frequency meter and a voltmeter to go here as well. So I've got a voltmeter there and a frequency meter here. Even a power factor meter there would be nice. Anyway, let's wire this up and see what current this thing pops at. Okay, viewers, I came and set up on its tripod. Zoom in a tiny bit there, see if it can capture the glow of that little fuse as it blows. Come on camera, don't go blurry on video. Plug the variac in. Variac's on 0, power on. Oh, 2 amp inrush current. Yeah. From what I was seeing, those fuses are still connected. They're not blown. That's on. That's on. Variac's on 0. Alright, let's plug the switch. Remember the switch is not turned on. Let's try again. There you go. That's it. The amp meter didn't even budge, so that's probably 1 amp max, I reckon. Maybe 800 milliamps at most, that fuse. Alright, power off. There you go, huh? Have a close look at that. The variac's unplugged. Yeah, see I just shorted the connecting stems out there, the electrodes that connect the filament. I'll zoom out a bit here. There you go. I just shorted those filament terminal poles out, the stems. You can see the fuse just melted like that. There you go. Alright. Okay, viewers. Let's finish off this synchronous motor, 12 volt one I pulled apart to try and get some gears out to see if the gears would were the same. I pulled this apart before another video to see if the gears would match the one of my flip clock radio, but they didn't. That's damaged, unfortunately. That magnet in the middle, that centre magnet's actually split. It was already like that when I opened it up. So, and there was they had stripped gear when it was working in service. Someone must have turned the shaft and forced it and stripped one of the gears inside. So the motor wasn't working properly anyway. It's only a cheap, nasty Chinese 12 volt AC synchronous motor. So let's finish it off. Like variac as usual, as per usual. Plug the variac in. Plug the variac in the wall outlet. Variac's on 0, power on. 5 amp inrush. There you go. Chinese motor put out of its misery. Didn't pull much current either. The heater lights did barely lit up, so I reckon that was about an amp, maybe 2 amp max that pulled from the mains. Yep, open circuit, nothing's moving. The BOZ load was moving slowly, that's because of the load of the variac. There you go. Nasty, cheap Chinese motor put out of its misery. Alright, turn that off. Yeah. Overheated the winding. Let's tear it down, have a look at the carnage. Rated from 1.2 to 2 watts. It's quite bloody hot too. Here you go. Not bad for a motor that's rated for 2 watts at 12 volts. She did well. I smell of burnt motor winding. Yeah, totally toasted it. It toast. At the terminal it blew like a fuse. The winding just got hot. That may be repairable. There you go. Funny how the tape, whatever other tape they put in there, turned green. Yeah, the lacquer's all come off the wire, so it's all shorted together now and falling apart. Same gauge wires, speaker voice coil. Great way to extract the copper for scrap. There you go, that's the end of that one. Viewers, thanks for watching.